Good morning. It's almost 6 o'clock Sunday morning, and I'm trying to see a recipe that I saw on YouTube. It's a hash. This is butternut squash from the garden that I peeled and chopped. That's the golden Yukon potato. And right here is some connected sausage, a pear, and an apple. So I want to cook all of these down in my skillet. And I'm actually using the oil left from the sausage to cook it down probably about 20 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, potato and the squash. And then I'll add the apple and pear for another 10 minutes. And then add the connected sausage. And once the hash is done, then I'll put it on our plate. And then I will fry us an egg sunny side up and put it on top, and that's how we'll eat our breakfast. I'll come back on when I get ready to cook the egg and fix the plate. Hey, I just picked some fresh rosemary from my garden. Whew, it's getting cool out that door, and it's just been a drizzly rain, so I'm probably not going to get much gardening done today. Let's check on our hash. Everything's still kind of crunchy. I might give this maybe 5 more minutes, 5 to 7 more minutes before I add the fruit. And once I add the fruit and cook it down, then I will add the fresh rosemary and add the meat, and it'll be ready for when we get ready to have breakfast. Alright, a few more minutes. And over here, I've saved my seeds from the butternut squash. I'm going to go ahead and wash them off and then lay them out to dry and then put them in an envelope and save them for next spring. I had gone to the farm store where I get my seeds and other supplies, and they were out of butternut, and I haven't seen them there in a while, so I want to just go ahead and save my own seeds for next year. We'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I want to go ahead and cook my egg. I forgot to turn the camera on, but it is cooking in the skillet. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon of water to the skillet. And I'll put the lid on. Okay, it's cooked for about 30 seconds. And you see how the steam causes the egg to cook on top. And I have my hash in my bowl. I want to try to get this up one-handed. And there you have it. And this is just another way to cook my egg over easy.